I've had this cup for like, I would say every bit of 35 years. It's a McDonald's Disney cup. It's crazy. I wonder if it's worth any money. Sorry for the unprofessionalism of drinking on camera, but let's get back to the channel. How's it going, everybody? And welcome back to the channel. An update on the Mavic Air situation. I ordered from Amazon thinking I would get it faster than China, but it actually ended up shipping from China. But it shipped like international priority, so it says it's gonna show up on the 31st, so hopefully FedEx will be able to drop that off maybe tomorrow and give me an early gift. Second thing, I am adding something to the channel that I want to use throughout 2018. Tech is kind of hit or miss. I can't afford every new piece of tech out there. So also what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding a segment, or actually parts of the vlog will be about like collaboration. So if I'm in your area, what I want to do is I want to meet up with you. If you're in Delaware, hit me up and maybe we can go out and shoot some videos together. But the idea is that we get together, we drone, we talk about tech, we just meet up and cross collaborate. Yeah, I got a Twitter account, I just never use it. But I do get on Instagram often. My Instagram is Big Ball Vlogs. Not specifically for Big Ball Vlogs, the YouTube channel, that came second, but it's just like everything I do and I document my life. It's sort of like my autobiography. It's just a lot. You just go check it out if you want to check it out. Vlogging is extremely difficult. You always have to have content, and I have a 9 to 5. Actually, I don't have a 9 to 5, I have a 6 to 6. It's hard for me to often get out and keep the content flowing. I was playing around with my RC car and my Jinyu, trying to do something cool, and I just said, you know what, forget it. Failure, not even gonna try to post this one. I realized I had something that I never even got into. Believe it or not, I still have my DJI swag bag that they gave me at the DJI release. I didn't even open it. I was in New York all day. I made it home. I threw this thing on the floor and I crashed after dragging this thing around all day. So I thought, for this vlog, after giving you the updates, I would open up the DJI swag box. Now I'm gonna totally shit myself if there's like an Osmo Mobile 2 in here or something. Doesn't feel any hard in here. Kinda, I'll be shocked if there was something in here that was actually worth something to be shocked about. So, let's get the lid off of it. Nice box. Very professional looking, a little crunched up because I kind of threw it down. And inside that, there's another little piece of wax paper with a DJI logo on it. I don't know if you can see that because of the lights. And underneath that, we got some swag. First swag, can't tell what this is. It's a pair of gloves that appear to have those little cell phone touch things, which would be very cool because when you're out flying, you gotta touch your screen. But they're nice looking gloves. And they're DJI branded. Check that out. See if they fit. It's winter. Great. They said they were extra large on the pack, but they fit. I mean, I don't think I got extra large hands, but they fit pretty good. Where's my phone? Hey, actually, yes, they do work. I mean, at least on my Galaxy S8 here, the fingertips actually work when I touch the screen. I could have used these today because today I was freezing my butt off out trying to fly my drone and shoot some videos. Let's see what else is in the box. I can already tell you what the next thing was in the box because it was exposed. So the next thing was in the box is this scarf. A nice scarf, DJI branded. And it feels amazing. Is this like cashmere or something? Let's see what this is. It is so soft. This is very high quality here, so it's a little long, crazy long. I think I'm supposed to wear it the French way when I was in France. Let's see if I can get the DJI logo, because I'm sure they want me to have the DJI logo showing when I put this on and when I wear it outside, because, you know, I signed up for that DJI affiliate program earlier, and I'm pretty sure this will help me cross promote DJI. I'm gonna do it the French way, where you kind of take it, you stick it through here like that, and then where's the DJI logo? Camera down a little bit. Get that showing like that, and then wear it the French way, so next time I'm out, I got my gloves, and I got my DJI scarf, both DJI branded. Let's put that around that way. There you go. Actually, I like these. I like these a lot. Thank you, DJI. Let's get this up back to where it was. Another little package here. Maybe a shirt. Looks like it's made out of cotton. Open the bag, and we have a bag. Canvas. I don't know if that's real leather, but again, DJI branded. And now I see why my camera's not focusing, because I touched this thing with my hands and the autofocus moved. Okay, so let's put the autofocus there. So another DJI branded piece of swag, but this is a bag. Not necessarily for me, But if there's any females out there that want a DJI bag, it's actually a very nice bag. Canvas with a zipper on the inside. If I can get that up and show you. With I don't know, I can't tell because I got the gloves on, like a synthetic in liner with a pocket on the inside. So this is more like a purse. So if you're a female that likes DJI stuff, let me know and I'll send you this bag. But I'm gonna keep the scarf for the glove, sorry. Nice swag from DJI. Thank you, DJI, again. Again, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Whew, hot with that scarf on. Thanks for supporting the vlog. I'll get back to you in a couple days with updates on the DJI Air. Again, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.